Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change language on Township game. If you are looking for a way to change your language setting in Township, then the first thing to do is to open up the game on your device. Once you're inside the home page of Township game, go ahead and tap on the horizontal lines. Now in the pop-up, click the gear icon, and then in this setting menu, click on the globe icon at the bottom right corner. You will then be able to see the multiple of language choices you can choose from. Tap on one of the language option you want to change to and click on OK. You will notice that your game has now changed to the preferred language that you just set. Repeat this step for every other language changes you want to try out. And that's it. That was how you can easily change your language on Township. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.